This is Yogeshkumar. I want to give you some information on information technology. If interested, please listen. Information technology refers to entire industry and the use of computers and softwares to organize information. Information technology is a classification of work focused on management and so on and so on. History of information technology development. Mechanical era started from 1643 to first generation electronic computer till sixth century, sixth generation electronic computer. The difference between computer network and human network. In computer network, two-person computers are required. In human network, two persons are required. In computer network, media is the in human network, and is the media. In computer network, protocol is required. In human network, language is required. Protocol is the set of rules both PC has to agree. Both PC has to have same protocol. Example, TCP/IP, TCP/IP. In both computers, TCP/IP is a transmission control protocol, internet protocol. I'll give you, it is open and routable protocol. I will give you information on open system with a OSI model. It starts from physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transportation layers, session layers, presentation layer, application layer. I'll give you more information later. Thank you.
बंद कर दें।